This is a slow pan of the B1 side fire escape system. So we have the wall stringer, outer stringer. Treads are resting on them, and they are screwed in. And then we have the railing posts and the balustrades. We have an outer fascia board. Outer fascia board is screwed into the posts and the balustrades. And balustrades are only screwed into the fascia boards rather than the stringers. We have mid posts. Mid posts are screwed into the treads. So this means they can shake easily. So there's no metal plates attaching them to the post below. Going upwards, fascia boards connected to the topmost platform. There's no connection of wall stringer to the platform. Top platform boards are screwed in. I can't tell if there's a positive connection to the wall for this rail, but it seems solid enough. Screwed in. I cannot tell what that post is. Once again, looks like balustrades are screwed into the fascia board and not the treads, or not the flats. Combination of pressure treated wood and non-P2 wood. Looking over here, that post has metal clip to grade. This post has a notch for the stringer board. The upper post is not aligned and there is no metal clip. And there are small bolts into the wall. This is about comparison of size to my index finger. Let's see, I don't have a flashlight, don't have a ruler, so this is in comparison to one of the stickers. So these may not be properly sized to lag bolts into the wall. That stringer has no connection to the platform. The stringer is screwed into this post over here. Ow. There's a notch up there on the post to connect to the platform. And then looks like notched for that post over there, but there's no carriage bolt. There's a lot of fascia boards again. Once again, I have no way of telling how that post is connected, but there is no strap. This post is once again notched. We have no joist hangers. And it looks like that old post there, there's wood rot in that corner over there. Looks like it's either nailed or screwed into the wall. Let's see, I need to check that one. chisel. Can you try poking that?
Which one?
Up there. Wood rot?
A little bit.
Okay, so it's a little bit of wood rot there. So the stringer is screwed into the post. That stringer is not screwed anywhere into the platform. All right.
Failed with minor repairs. Repairs by a fully licensed vendor. Permit may be required. Engineer oversight. 3 site visits. Certification with owner liability in lieu of a load test.